Hey guys, it's Mel here. Welcome back. In today's video, I did this look. This is like glam, but it's simple enough for every day. I love this look. These lashes are super like more on the natural side, but still kind of glam, but like I feel like I could wear these every day. This look is super easy to do. I didn't do anything crazy. It's a more everyday glam look. This lip, can't go wrong with a nude. So yeah, I really like this look for like every day when I want to feel a little more glam, but I don't want to be too glam, you know? So I really like how it turned out. I am just going to do a talk over just because today I want to listen to music while I'm getting ready. Just kind of zone out and do my thing. So make sure you guys subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm just priming my eyes with concealer. You can use any concealer and then blending it out. I'm going in with this Morphe Brunch Babe palette. You can use any palette you want. Just taking the lightest shade in here and setting that concealer. Next, I am gonna go in with the shade Rezo. It's just a neutral brown, and just add it into my crease and kind of dragging it out for a wing shape and just blending it. You don't have to use this palette. You can use any palette that has those two shades in it. Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild liquid liner called Breakup Proof liquid liner. This liner stays in place all day. I love this liquid eyeliner, and it's super affordable. Just going to give myself wing liner. I really struggle with the step of makeup, so just bear with me. Then I just added some mascara. Now I'm going in with these Ardell Demi Wispie eyelashes in 120. Then going in with the Olay Ultimate Eye Cream for under eye cream. Going in with this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil. Just give a little more moisture to my skin. Winter time's coming and my skin gets super dry. And I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is the original formula, just to blur and fill in my pores, smooth everything out. Foundation I'm using today is the Revlon Candid Natural Finish Foundation. I'm using the shade 350 Natural Tan. This doesn't really match my self-tan body, but it's a nice color if I wasn't self-tanned. For cream contour, I'm using this Revlon Colorstay Concealer in 76 Caramel. I heard this was a dupe for one of the fancy products out there. I'm not sure which, but I loved how this turned out. I really loved the undertone. I think it helped match my face a little bit more to my self-tan body since it had a more warm yellow undertone. And I also love how it blended out. It was matte and it did not move my foundation. Definitely love this. Obsessed. For concealer, I'm going in with this trial pamphlet of the One Size Concealer. I'm using the shade Light 3N. At first when I applied this concealer, it was super matte and thick, so I felt like I wasn't gonna like it, but as the day went on, it did not crease, it did not budge. My under eyes looked so smooth and perfect all day long that I actually ended up loving it. Just don't like how it feels when I apply it because I have super dry under eyes, but I really like how it turned out. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. This is an oldie but a goodie. I've been using this again. I just feel like I forgot how much I loved it and getting back into using it a lot. Now I'm just blending all that powder out. For bronzer, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze It in medium. This is just a go-to for me. Has a nice glow to it. It's not shimmery, doesn't exaggerate any pores or texture, and it just has a nice color for me. Next, I'm going in with this mini NARS bronzer in Laguna and just deepening that contour just a little bit to get a little more chiseled. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This was another fan favorite back in the day. I try to just stick it on the high parts of my cheeks because it had a lot of shimmer in it and it was exaggerating some of my pores. For highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture Glow Powder in Illuminati. This is so pretty. Love their glow powders. Just gonna apply my brows. Then I'm going back in with that shade from that Morphe palette and just adding it to the lower lash line and connecting it to the upper winged part of the eyeshadow. I'm going back in with that Artist Couture highlighter and just adding it to the inner corner. Next, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Natural. Then I'm going in with the liquid lip by Morphe in the shade Virgin. To set my makeup, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix Spray. Fanning myself. I feel like it really sets the makeup and everything melts together. And I totally forgot to add lower lash line mascara, so that's what I'm doing here with the L'Oreal Telescopic, one of my favorites. And yeah, that's the completed look. I love how it turned out. Simple glam for every day. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.